Hello everyone, I'm Kavita Moore, a dietitian. Keeping in mind today's situation, I'm here to talk about immunity boosting. Immunity is of two kinds. One is innate immunity and the other one is adaptive immunity. So innate immunity is the immunity which we get in our mother's womb only. So हमारी माताएं क्या खाती पीती है उसी से वो इम्यूनिटी बन जाता है. बट द अडेप्टेड इम्यूनिटी इज इन आवर हैंड. तो यदि हम हर वक्त हमारी ये अडेप्टेड इम्यूनिटी को बूस्ट करना चाहेंगे तो वी नीड टू सी दैट वी हैव न्यूट्रिशियस फूड एंड वी हैव अ बेटर लाइफस्टाइल. नाउ व्हाट कैन दैट लाइफस्टाइल बी? लेट्स डिस्कस. सबसे पहले वी हैव टू कीप आवर बॉडी हाइड्रेटेड ऑल द टाइम. दैट मीन्स पानी थोड़ा थोड़ा सिप करके पीना है और सारा दिन पीना है. दैट विल कीप योर बॉडी हाइड्रेटेड. Try to have a little warm water if possible. That will help more in this situation. Having a herbal tea made of turmeric, ginger, cumin, cinnamon, fennel seeds, etc. is also very important. So please try to have it at least once daily. Next comes good sleep. Good sleep is equally important. 6 से 7 घंटा अच्छे से sound sleep सोना है. If we have a good sleep, then our immunity will be boosted automatically because the cells will repair themselves. When we are sleeping, our cells repair themselves and they prepare themselves for the next day. So it is very necessary that we have a sound sleep. Then comes exercise. Exercise is also very, very important because we all know that it helps in immunity boosting. Exercise can be of any kind. I would say you can do Zumba, you can do gymming, you can do yoga, you can do dance. Any kind of activity which keeps you active is an exercise for you. Breathing exercise is very, very important to do every day. This will help to boost our immunity and fight the virus which may come inside our body. Now, another important thing is our diet, which is very, very important, we all know. But through our diet, we take care of our gut. And the gut health is very important because all the bacteria, they stay in our gut. And the gut-friendly food, which helps the bacteria to live and get stronger, are prebiotics and probiotics. Prebiotics are all the fiber food, pulses, beans, etc. And probiotics are curd, yogurt, and fermented food like idli, dokla, kimchi, etc. So I would recommend that you try to have at least one fermented food every day in your diet. Then we have to take care of our vitamin A and vitamin C. Vitamin A rich and C rich food is very, very important. Some of the examples are drumsticks, oranges, mango season is there, then lemon, broccoli, green leafy vegetables, papaya, and red bell peppers, of course. So the list is very long and we need to take care that we are having them almost every day. Now, there is one more thing which is very important, is vitamin D. So we need to check our vitamin D, whether it's normal or not. If it is not normal, you just have to take some supplements. If you can sit in the sun for 3 to 4 days every week, that is very, very good. Along with that, we have to take some calcium substitutes or we have to take care of our calcium food items properly. But there are certain things which come in between immunity building. Number one is sugar. So sugar should be taken as least as possible. If you are taking some sugar in your tea, coffee, milk, that's all right. But having desserts should be avoided at this time. Too much of packaged food, refined foods, maida, etc. should be avoided. Drinking and smoking also should be avoided. And we should try to have healthy food at home from our home kitchen. Junk food is not recommended at all. Those who are having non-veg, they can have non-veg, but it should be cooked properly and freshly cooked. So, sanitization should be taken care of, and we should really eat nutritious food every day and take care of ourselves. Stay home, stay safe, eat right but light, and stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you.